Welcome to a journey where ancient philosophy meets modern soundscapes. Today, we delve into the mystical realms of Yin and Yang, exploring how these age-old principles breathe life into the vibrant world of drum and bass. Imagine Yin with its introspective, emotional essence, dancing in harmony with Yang's dynamic, innovative energy. Together, they create more than just rhythms and beats. They craft an experience that resonates with our very souls. Join us as we uncover the delicate balance of these forces and how they shape the music that moves and inspires us. Welcome to the exploration of Yin and Yang in the art of drum and bass. Yin and Yang is a concept originating from ancient Chinese philosophy, a fundamental aspect of Chinese culture for thousands of years. This philosophy presents a nuanced understanding of the universe and life as a balance of two fundamental principles. Yin, often symbolized by the moon, represents aspects such as passivity, darkness, and coolness. It's associated with what is traditionally considered feminine, not in a gender-specific sense, but in terms of qualities like intuition, receptiveness, and nurturing. Yin is about the inner world, the unseen forces, the gentle, subtle aspects of nature and existence. Yang, in contrast, is represented by the sun. It stands for activeness, light, and warmth. Yang embodies what is often viewed as masculine qualities, again not strictly tied to gender, but referring to attributes such as assertiveness, strength, and rationality. It's about outward energy, the visible growth, and the more overt and forceful elements in the world. The beauty of the Yin and Yang concept lies in the portrayal of balance and interdependence. Neither Yin nor Yang exists in isolation. They are always relative to each other. They interact and are integral to the harmony of the whole. In every aspect of life and nature, these forces are believed to be at play, complementing and balancing each other. Moreover, this duality is sometimes metaphorically linked to the hemispheres of the human brain. The left hemisphere, associated with logical thinking and analytical processes, often likened to Yang. The right hemisphere, known for creativity, intuition, and emotion, is compared to Yin. Though a simplistic interpretation, this analogy helps us illustrate how these two principles are thought to manifest in various aspects of life, including human cognition and behavior. In summary, Yin and Yang represent a profound and ancient way of understanding the world, a system that sees balance, contrast, and interdependence as fundamental to the nature of everything. Yin and Yang. These ancient Chinese principles not only offer a lens through which to view the world, but also a guide to understanding ourselves. Central to this philosophy is the concept that we all have access to both Yin and Yang energies. It's not about being one or the other. Rather, it's about recognizing and finding your personal balance between these two forces. Yin, with its association to the moon, encompasses qualities often labeled as feminine, like intuition, introspection, and empathy. These are the energies that connect us to the inner world, to the realm of emotions and deep contemplation. On the other hand, Yang, represented by the sun, embodies what we often think as masculine traits: assertiveness, action, and rationality. These are the energies that drive us to engage with the world, to create and to enact change. Each of us carries a unique blend of Yin and Yang energies. Our personal balance is not static. It's a fluid and ever-changing interplay that can shift from day to day and moment to moment. Certain situations might call forth more of our Yin qualities, asking us to reflect and feel deeply. Other circumstances might require the dynamic and assertive energy of Yang, pushing us to act and make decisions. The key is to become aware of these energies within us and to understand how they influence our perspectives, our behavior, and our interactions with others. It's about cultivating a harmony within where neither Yin nor Yang dominates excessively, but rather they complement and enhance each other. This internal balance is crucial for our well-being, allowing us to respond to life's complexities with a more integrated and holistic approach. In essence, Yin and Yang teach us that balance is not about equal parts, it's about dynamic equilibrium. It's recognizing when to let our intuition guide us and when to lean into decisive action. By embracing both of this duality, we can navigate life with greater flexibility, understanding, and wholeness. Before we continue exploring the harmonious balance of yin and yang in music, let's take a moment to talk about how you can enhance your own ability to tap into these energies. A key part of this journey is building up your sound design and musical skills. And our sponsor, Skillshare, offers a fantastic platform to help you do just that. Skillshare hosts a plethora of classes tailored for budding and experienced musicians alike. One highlight is a series of classes by Thomas George, specifically focusing on Serum, a powerful tool for sound design. These classes delve deep into the intricacies of Serum, teaching you how to create those groundbreaking sounds that embody the Yang energy, the innovative, the bold, and the technologically advanced. But that's just one side of the coin. To embrace the yin in your music, the intuitive, the emotional, the groove that connects, Thomas George also offers a number of music theory classes on Skillshare. These classes are designed to enhance your understanding of music, allowing you to become not just a better producer, but more intuitive musician. You'll learn how to feel music, create emotive melodies, and develop grooves that resonate on a deeper level. Balancing yin and yang in music production is a journey of continuous learning and growth. With Skillshare, you have access to an online community with thousands of classes to help you embark on this journey. Whether you're refining your sound design skills or deepening your musical understanding, Skillshare offers a comprehensive and accessible platform for your creative development. Not to mention, you can also check out my Ableton Essential Exercises series on Skillshare, where you can learn the basics of sound design, drum programming, chopping up breaks, writing bass lines, and chord progressions. The first 500 people that use my link down in the description will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. To start exploring these classes, simply follow the link below. Dive into the world of Skillshare and unlock a new dimension in your music production journey, harnessing the power of both yin and yang to create truly compelling and balanced music. In the context of music production, and particularly in the genre of drum and bass, which is heavily reliant on technological innovation and precision, Yang energy plays a pivotal role. This energy aligns with the qualities of the logical mind, pushing the boundary of what's possible in music creation. Let's explore how the Yang aspects of technological advancements, complexity, and precision and intensity can significantly benefit music production. Technological advancements. Embracing innovation. Drum and bass, a genre deeply intertwined with technology, thrives on the cutting edge. Producers who channel Yang energy are often at the forefront of exploring new software, hardware, and production techniques. This constant innovation leads to fresh sounds and the evolution of the genre. Pushing boundaries. The Yang aspect of music production is about not just using technology, but pushing it to its limits. It's about experimenting with synthesis, sampling, and sound manipulation in ways that redefine what music can sound like. Complexity and precision. Structured complexity. Yang energy in drum and bass is evident in complex beat structures, intricate bass lines, and precise rhythmic patterns. This complexity isn't just about being complicated, it's about creating a structured, logical framework that still feels musical and engaging. Attention to detail. Precision is a hallmark of Yang energy in music production. It's the meticulous attention to every sound, every beat, and how they fit together. This precision ensures that the music is not only technically sound, but also coherent and impactful. Intensity, energetic dynamics. Drum and bass is known for its intensity, and this is a direct manifestation of Yang energy. It's about creating tracks that are powerful and energetic, that grab the listener's attention and hold it. Driving innovation with purpose. The intensity of Yang is not just about being loud or forceful, it's about using these dynamic elements with intention. It's about crafting a journey for the listener where each element, whether it's a hard-hitting drum line or a soaring synth, serves a purpose in the narrative of the track. Logical creativity, intentional creation. Yang energy in music production is about using the logical mind to intentionally create something that resonates. It's understanding the science of sound and using that knowledge to create art. Balancing technical skill with artistic vision. While Yang energy emphasizes the technical aspects of music production, it's also about aligning these skills with artistic vision. It's the synergy of understanding the tools at one's disposal and using them to express something meaningful and engaging. In summary, Yang energy in drum and bass music production is about harnessing the power of technology, complexity, and intensity in a way that is both logical and creative. It's using the rational mind to push boundaries, pay attention to detail, and create music that is not only technically impressive, but also emotionally impactful. This energy, when balanced with the yin aspects of emotion, groove, and connection, can lead us to a powerful and immersive musical experience. In the realm of music production, especially in drum and bass, Yin energy brings a unique and essential dimension. This energy is characterized by its connection with emotion, groove, and an innate sense of musicality. While Yang energy focuses on the technical and innovative aspects, Yin energy taps into the emotional and intuitive side of musical creation. Let's delve into how Yin energy benefits music production in drum and bass, which is known for its fast-paced rhythms and technological orientation. Emotion and feel. Creating emotional resonance. Yin energy in music production is about infusing the music with a sense of emotion and feeling. It's what makes a track resonate on the deeper level with the listener, moving beyond auditory stimulation to touch the heart and soul. Intuitive melody and harmony. The Yin aspect involves creating melodies and harmonies that evoke an emotional response. This isn't just about technical proficiency, but about crafting musical elements that feel right and connect with listeners on an emotional level. Groove and rhythm. Fostering connection through groove. In drum and bass, the groove is fundamental. Yin energy focuses on laying down rhythms and bass lines that make people want to move. It's about understanding the natural flow of the body and how music can tap into this instinctive movement. Subtlety and nuance in beats. While drum and bass is known for its intense rhythms, Yin energy brings a sense of subtlety and nuance. It's the subtle variations in rhythm and timing that create a sense of groove and swing, making the music more human and relatable. Creating a musical journey. Building dynamic landscapes. Yin in music production is about crafting a journey through sound. It's not just about a collection of tracks, it's about how these tracks come together to tell a story, evoke a range of emotions, and take the listener on a journey. Harmony and counterbalance. Yin energy provides a counterbalance to the high energy of drum and bass. It introduces moments of calm, reflection, and depth, offering a more rounded and complete musical experience. Intuitive creativity, flow, and spontaneity. Yin is closely linked with intuition and spontaneity in the creative process. It's about letting go of rigid structures and allowing the music to flow naturally, often leading to unexpected and deeply resonant musical moments. Emotional depth and authenticity. The Yin aspect of music production ensures that the music has emotional depth and authenticity. It's about creating music that feels real and genuine, music that listeners can connect with on a personal level. In essence, Yin energy in drum and bass music production is about tapping into the emotional, intuitive, and groove-oriented aspects of music. It's what gives the music its heart and soul, ensuring that it's not just a technical showcase, but a deeply engaging and emotionally rich experience. When balanced with the Yang aspects of technical prowess and innovation, it leads to a harmonious and compelling musical expression. In conclusion, the art of music production, particularly in genres like drum and bass, can reach extraordinary heights when there's a harmonious balance between yin and yang energies. Harnessing the yang energy allows you to push the boundaries of sound through technological innovation, complex rhythms, and intense dynamics, engaging the listener's mind with awe-inspiring auditory experiences. On the other hand, embracing yin energy infuses your music with emotional depth, intuitive grooves, and a sense of authenticity that resonates with the listener's heart and soul. By skillfully balancing these energies, your music becomes a rich tapestry that appeals to both the logical and the emotional facets of human experience. It becomes not just sound, but a journey, one that captivates, moves, and inspires. This balance ensures that your music is not only technically impressive, but also deeply meaningful and relatable, providing an immersive experience that can both energize, soothe, challenge, and comfort. In essence, the integration of yin and yang in music production is a dance of contrast and harmony. It's about understanding and leveraging the strengths of both of these forces to create music that is not just heard, but felt, not just experienced, but remembered. Whether you're a seasoned producer or just starting out, embracing this balance could be the key to unlocking new levels of creativity and connection in your musical endeavors. By the way, comment down below and let me know what energies you lean more into. Do you resonate more with the logically minded yang energy, or are you more of an intuitive yin energy kind of person? Let me know down below. Hey, I'm trying a new format where I explore more aspects of music production like these. If you want to see more content like this, then please like the video and subscribe. Also, if you want to support, I have a number of sample packs, preset packs, and Ableton kits that help you along your journey. You can learn more down in the links below. Alright, until then, keep exploring and peace out.